Sheikh, I have a question about marriage. A few months ago, my friend got married, and the sister didn't have a wali, so they took the imam from the masjid nearby. And during the nikah, I should have been one of the two
witnesses.
Witnesses, yes. And during the nikah, the imam said to me, "Come here, you are the wali now." And then he asked the woman, "Are you okay with this man being your wali?" She said yes. And then basically I switched places with the imam. I was the wali at that point. And my question is, if this marriage is not valid, do I have a sin in it?
You have a sin because you should not have witnessed such a marriage that lacks a proper wali. But we need to know the circumstances of such a marriage, whether this was a revert and had no Muslim relative to be her wali, whether this is a predominantly Hanafi country and everybody is blindly following the madhab and thinking that the wali is not needed. There's so many factors that I cannot answer or give a one size that fits all without knowing the details, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.